I'm Nicola Upson, and I'm back at the UL as we prepare to open the new exhibition, Murder by the Book. Two of the star items in this exhibition are Agatha Christie's 1937 typewriter and her dictaphone. These items give us a wonderful insight into her writing life. The typewriter, which she had from 1937, was probably used to write one of her major books, And Then There Were None. And the dictaphone, she dictated her autobiography, and I think there's something incredibly poignant about that being the first not-so-dumb witness to those words and feelings. One of my personal favourite items in the exhibition is the typescript of Curtain, her final Poirot novel, which was actually written 30 years before it was published, at the height of the Blitz, while her husband was away during the war and she needed a distraction. She gave the royalties for the book to her daughter, and the typescript was kept in a bank vault until Christmas 1975, when it was published just a few months before Christie's death. These items have been lent to us by the Agatha Christie archive, and we're so lucky to have them on display here in Cambridge.